new opportunity to do new things which you missed yesterday. With this beautiful thought, I, Tej Doshi,
And I, Yashvi Khemchandani of class 9th B, wishes a great morning to respected father, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. Now, I am inviting my classmates for the prayer song.
Happy morning, my dear students. Let us begin this day with a small prayer. Almighty God, source of life, we worship and praise you. You are the truth and origin of all knowledge. Bless us that we may study well, obey our parents and teachers, and be honest in our behavior. Lead us from darkness to light. Bless our studies and enlighten our intellect. Grant us the grace to seek truth and make us truly wise.
Scenes of a youth, scenes of a childhood, scenes of a youth. The school we love and cherish, the school we love and cherish, preparing us for life's toughest, preparing us for life's toughest. St. Xavier's forever we will cheer. St. Xavier's forever we will cheer. God bless our dear old school. God bless our dear old school. Our principal, father, teachers. Our principal, father, teachers. Our parents, students. All of the friends, our parents, students. All of the friends who will write our names in mortar. Who will write our names in mortar. St. Xavier's our Anamita friend. St. Xavier's our Anamita friend. God bless you is a daily prayer. God bless you is a
About
daily
the planets in our solar system. So now, I would like to call Shreya Thakur to tell us more about the solar planets.
Good morning, Reverend Father Principal, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Shreya Thakur of Standard 9th B, is here to present a speech on the topic, the planets of the solar system. So, as we all know that the sun and the celestial bodies that revolve around it form the solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. A mnemonic is there to learn the order of these 8 planets in correct way. The mnemonic is, my very energetic mother just served us noodles. Now, let's discuss about these 8 planets in 2 to 3 lines. First, Mercury, that is Buddha. The planet Mercury is nearest to the Sun. The planet Mercury is smallest in our solar system. Mercury has no satellite of its own. Second, Venus, that is Shukra. Venus is Earth's nearest planetary neighbor. Venus is the brightest planet in the night sky. Venus has no satellite of its own. Third, Prithvi, that is Earth. Earth is the only planet in the solar system on which life is known to exist. Some special environmental conditions are possible for the existence and continuation of life on Earth. Fourth, Mars, that is Mangal. Mars appears slightly reddish and therefore it is also called the red planet. Mars has two small satellites. Fifth, Brihaspati, that is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. Jupiter has a large number of satellites. Sixth, Saturn, that is Shani. Beyond Jupiter is Saturn, which appears yellowish in color. Saturn has a large number of satellites. Seventh, Uranus. Uranus is surrounded by a set of 13 rings. Uranus is the only planet that spins on its sides. Uranus has a large number of satellites. Eighth, Neptune. Neptune is the last planet of our solar system. Neptune has a large number of satellites. Once again, I would like to repeat the mnemonic, that is, my very energetic mother just served us noodles. Thank you for listening to me patiently and have a nice day.
Thank you, Shreya, for letting us know.
Good thoughts make a person happy. With this, I would like to call my Baldania for the thought of the day.
Good morning, respected Father Principal, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. I'm Mahi Baldania of class 9B, standing in front of you to present thought of the day. Today's thought is, win and lose depends on you. If you agree, you can lose, and if you're determined, then you can win. I would like to repeat my thought that win and lose depends on you. If you are agree, you can lose, but if you are determined, then you can win. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you, Mai, for the thought. My intention to set the limit of the man-conqueror space. So I would like to call Dhyana Shah to speak on space exploration.
Good morning to Reverend Father Joby, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Dhyana Shah of class 9B, is here to speak on the topic, the future of space exploration. So first we will know what is space exploration. The using of astronomy and space technology to discover outer space is known as space exploration. It is usually carried out by astronomers with the help of telescopes and human by spacecraft. Some of the facts which you will shock to know that scientists are finding ways to grow food in space, such as hydroponics and aeroponics. In some of the years, we will able to mine resources from other planets and asteroids which will help us in future. Investing in space can lead us with new discoveries, technologies and resources. So at last, I would like to end my speech with a quote by Neil Armstrong. Every achievement begins with a small step. I would like to repeat my thought. Every achievement begins with a small step. Thank you for your patience listening and have a cheerful day ahead.
Do you know that the weather in space is very cool? You will find the temperature be absolute zero. To share us more about this topic, I would like to call Meshwa Patel to share her reviews.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind, as quoted by Neil Armstrong after the moon mission. A very warm and cheerful morning to one and all present here. Myself, Meshwa Patel of Standard 9th B, standing before you to enlighten you all on the topic, space weather. Space weather is a branch of space physics concerned with the time-varying conditions within the solar system, including the solar wind, emphasizing the space surrounding the Earth. It also includes the conditions in the magnetosphere, ionosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Do you know what are the impacts of space weather? Space weather effects on ground can include damage and disruption of the power distribution networks, increased pipeline corrosion and degradation of radio communications. Since it has many adverse effects, there must be some way to protect ourselves from space weather. Earth has an area of magnetic force activity called magnetic field. It is also surrounded by a jacket of gases called an atmosphere. Our magnetic field and atmosphere acts like a superhero shield, protecting us from the severe effects of space weather. Most of the charged particles crash into Earth's shield and revolve around it. Thus, it protects us from space weather. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Meshwa, for sharing your reviews.
Pledge is a way to show our gratitude towards our nation. So I would like to call Linia ma'am for the pledge.
India is my country. all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all my elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and its people. My happiness lies in their well being and prosperity.